In today's tutorial, we are going to see and explore an amazing software where we can create unlimited videos from images. Second part, I'm going to show you how to create a complete sci-fi film leveraging only one software.
In a galaxy far, far away, on an unknown planet, a solar storm approaches, casting an ominous glow over the horizon.
The name of the software is Leonardo AI. With that, without any further ado, let's begin with the tutorial. Sign up. For signing up, go to leonardo.ai and then go to launch app option. Here from Google account or from email account, you can just give your mail ID and go next, and then you can create your account. For now, let's dig into different features of this software. So when you log in, you can see there are so many feeds here. Either you go to all categories, you'll get to see everything here. Now you can go for photography in order to get photography types. I want this image, right? So I will choose it. Now there are a few things which we can do. First of all, copy the prompt and simply recreate this image. How to do that? We can just copy from here. Image generation option from the left hand side. Here I will just paste this command. These things I may keep intact. I can give Dream Shaper or any other style from here. Here if you're using Pro like I have it, then you can use dynamic, creative or any option from here. I am using dynamic. If you want to add any negative prompt, you may do that. At this moment I'm not doing it. If you keep photorealistic model on, then this one will your choice won't be there. So I preferably don't go for that. Now from here, all you need to do is choose an aspect ratio and then number of images up till 4 you may choose. I am keeping 2 and generate. Okay, I have got these 2 images. So let's suppose I like this one. So I will click on this and I can go for 2 upscaling options. One is crisp upscale, one is smooth upscale. I go for smooth upscale. I feel that gives a better effect. Okay, I have given smooth upscaling. You see here we have this motion tab. So go to this generate motion option. Okay, now you can also replace the image by something else, but I want motion in this image itself. Now there are some more adjustments. One is motion strength. If you increase the motion strength up till 5 or 4, it gives a better result. So at first let us start from 3. Okay, I am keeping motion strength 3 and see to generate this it will take 25 coins. So if I hit generate button, then it will start generating the motion here. Okay, so I am taking this image. Okay, now directly if I want to add motion or create video out of this, then I will go to this image to motion button. Now here I am going for image to motion. So again it will redirect me to the same box. Here let me keep motion as 4 and let's try. Let us see how does this turn out to be. Again, if you want to download, you may download by going to this MP4 download button. Like this, let us try a couple of more images. Let us try with this image. Okay, I will directly go to image to motion. Let us keep it as 5. Okay, and generate. So if you go to this motion tab, so you can go ahead and get some inspiration from here as well. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. Let us go to real-time canvas option. You can inpaint, you can get some image here and then you can inpaint, you can change some part of it. Otherwise, you can draw also. First, let me draw here. Okay, so I will go to this brush option. You can select the size of the brush. Now, I am trying to make an alien or an astronaut. Okay, And then if you come here, you can choose the guidance scale to any extent. I will keep high quality on. The guidance scale should be around 2.5. You can get this changed as well, like we have done it before, but I will stick to dynamic only. So once you're satisfied, if you're satisfied with this output, go to output to input option. Now you can simply selecting it, go to download option, and it will get downloaded. Now this is my final image. Go to exit this option, and there you find this personal feed. Go to personal feed. Now you see you have got both. Okay, now if I want to give a motion, I'll go to this motion control, and here again I will keep around 7. So let us see. Okay, now as I promised, I'm going to show you how I create films. I prefer to go to this image generation option, and here simply I upload the images. Okay, like how to do that, go to this upload button and upload a particular image. Now I want a similar kind of image, but I will be changing it by prompt. So I'll just give the strength around 30. I give neon color, lighting and back, ultra HD, hyper realistic, 64K and neon lighting. These things I have added, and here I will add another thing, cinematic. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now what is the benefit of this strength? If you give the strength more than 40%, the image will look more like this image no matter what you write in the prompt. Therefore, since I want less emphasize, just a little bit of reference from this image, a similar kind of image, but emphasize on my prompt. Therefore, I will keep the toggle towards 25, 27 like that. I will go for 2 choices. I would like to take a wide screen ratio, that is 16:9. And that is pretty much it. And here I have taken stable diffusion 2.1. Okay. And then let's generate and check how this image turns out to be. So like this, I have created motion in different scenes, and then I have simply downloaded this. And after this, you can use this in a video editor, simple video editor. If you want to know in detail about this, how to create a complete film, please watch the video which is giving in the description and top right hand side corner of info button.
In a galaxy far, far away, on an unknown planet, a solar storm approaches, casting an ominous glow over the horizon. Meet the incredible residents of this unique world, living their lives in a city filled with no life-supporting facilities and no advancement, unaware of their upcoming fate. Far above, on a human warship, a desperate plea for help reaches our ears. A solar storm threatens to wipe out an entire alien civilization. A decision is made to intervene, launching a mission to save the aliens, even if it means infiltrating their planet against their will. Under the cover of darkness, human soldiers don advanced spacesuits, infiltrating the alien planet to save its inhabitants.
Dear friends, I implore you to comprehend the imminent threat. A severe solar flare is on the verge of destroying your planet. My team and I have arrived from a distant world with the sole mission of protecting your civilization. If cooperation is not volunteered, we may have no choice but to intervene forcefully. Our intention is not to harm, but to ensure your survival. In return for your cooperation, we offer the promise of sustenance and an improved quality of life on our own planet. This is not an act of aggression, but a collaborative effort to save your extraordinary civilization. Please understand the urgency and join us in this endeavor.
Realizing the gravity of the situation, humans and aliens join forces to devise a plan, working together to escape the impending solar storm. The united forces launch into space, narrowly escaping the destructive solar flare, a testament to the power of collaboration across galaxies.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.